Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I am sorry I've not been posting for a long time, but sorry, it's at a weird angle. Today I got something very exciting. This is an early birthday present for me. It's crazy. I'm sorry I've not been posting for a very long time. Just so many things have changed. Now I got a TikTok account, so make sure you guys go follow me. At Albino813. So yeah, make sure you guys please go follow me. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button so you can see more videos. I'm trying to get up, guys, I'm gonna get up to if I get up to 100 subscribers, you guys leave in the comments below what I should do if I get to 100 subscribers. My parents are pretty mellow. They don't let me do a lot of things, so hopefully, maybe like a 24-hour challenge or something crazy. So yeah, alright, now let's actually get into the video. Okay guys, so I got an early birthday present. I got a, oh my gosh, let me show you guys. Sorry, I'm in my PJs still, but this is your clue. So, yes. Okay. Now, it's not a sponsored video, but what I got for my early birthday present is I got a kayak. So guys, this is the kayak. It's beautiful. Sorry if it's so much, but here's the kayak. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour, so let's go. Okay, so here I have oh gosh. Sorry, I don't film with an actual camera. Film with my iPad. But so in the back here, I have a little place I can put my backpack. And then I got a seat. I can store a cup, right? Like maybe like a bottle of water or Gatorade or something. Right here. Oh my gosh. Right there. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Right there. And I got extra. So then I can put whatever I want here if I'm snacking. It's so cool. So I'm just excited. So I want to say thank you so much, Mom and Dad. You guys literally, oh my gosh. Okay. So my mom's is coming tomorrow. I'm hopefully gonna post another video on that, and it's really windy. Sorry if you can't hear me that well, but yeah. So my mom's is coming tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna film when we're on the lake. We go hiking. I might. Okay, guys. So sorry, but I'm getting a phone next month, June 10th. So stay tuned for that video. My dad is going to go get my mom and get my mom a phone, a new one. And I'm gonna get my first phone. I've never had a phone, so I might be posting on that because that's supposed to be much easier to film on than a big iPad, which I'm filming on currently. So yeah, plant update. Our plants are coming along nicely. Here's our carrots, and then I believe these are our peppers. And then we got little single plants right here. And so my mom works as a science teacher. And so the kids were growing some plants. Because some of them did not make it. There was a lot of ones that didn't make it that just died. So yeah, those are what's remaining. They're flowers, they're butterfly flowers. And then here, can't remember which one? I don't know which one's lettuce and tomatoes. Oh wait, tomatoes there. So which one's pumpkins? I don't know. Or are these both lettuce? No, where'd the pumpkins go? Oh no, so this is either lettuce or pumpkin in here. And this is either lettuce or pumpkin. Dirt's falling out. Okay. So those are plants. Ow! Oh, we have like a bunch of mulch. It's pretty windy. So yeah. So I'm hopefully gonna like film later. Like tonight, maybe not tonight, but I will try. My friend's gonna teach me how to. I'm gonna try and do Roblox videos for you guys. Because I play Roblox. So yeah, I really like to do Roblox videos. My friend. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, please go subscribe to my friend Broken Forever. That is capital BR0KEN, no space, capital FROVER. Go check her out, guys. She's awesome. She does Roblox videos. We're gonna go roleplay, and it's my only hint of the videos that we're filming. She's filming a series, and I am 14, and I come up to their door, and like I don't have a home, so yeah, I'm just pacing. So I'm just pacing currently. So yeah, and my name is Evelyn in the roleplay, and guys, my username is capital UNICORN_109778. If you want to, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway, so I'm gonna go into a server, or a couple servers actually, and do a giveaway for you guys. I will be giving away, I don't know what I'm gonna give away. I don't have that much stuff. I'm very broke. I gave 5 pairs of Dear Dolly heels already away. I gave all my parasols away. I had 7 parasols. I gave them all away. Maybe not 7. I had a lot of parasols. Maybe only like 2. But I gave them away. So yeah. I'm maybe gonna do whatever you want. I'm gonna risk all my stuff. I don't know what. I saw Cybernova do this. So yeah. Okay. So now we are going to get into reasons why I've not been posting that much. Let's go. Okay. Reason number 1, reason why I've not been posting that much. First of all, I've not been posting. Oh my god. Ow. Okay, I've not been posting since 2018. No, my last video I posted was New Year's Day of 2019, like at like 12 a.m. in the morning. I made a video. I was with my friends, Kira. Kira, I know we're apart, but yes. I don't know what. Okay. I also, if you guys are wondering, though, Cynthia and Catherine are not our real names. My real name is Ellie, but I like to be called Ellie. But when our moms didn't want us revealing our real names till we got older. So my friend, yeah. So I'm not Cynthia. My name's Ellie, and my friend Catherine is named Kira. My friend's texting me. So yeah. Alright guys, so if this video ends, I'm very sorry. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribed. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And I'm sorry I've not been posting. My friend really wants me to call her. So if she calls me, I'm hanging up. You guys are not hanging up. The video will end. So I'm sorry about that. Hold on, give me 1 second. Making a video for... Okay guys, so I just texted her. And so yeah, alright, so this video is getting pretty long. All it is me talking. But I've not been posting. Let's get back to posting. Or why I've not been posting. So yeah, that's been the last time. Okay, sorry about that. My friend keeps texting me. So yeah. So reason 2 why I've not been posting is because I've been focused more like on schoolwork. Oh my gosh. I've been focused on schoolwork. Mostly. I've been playing a bunch of Roblox. I've been talking to friends. I just keep forgetting about YouTube. I'm like, I really want to go back to it since we have really nothing to do. I can't go out. I don't know when I'm gonna have a posting time or like when I'm gonna make a video and stuff. I don't have a schedule, so maybe that'll be in my tomorrow's video. I still haven't figured out a schedule. I'm just posting whenever I feel like it. I'm not the smartest editor. I can't edit at all. I don't film on a computer or on a vlogging camera that's hooked up to something. And you can see my light right there. So yeah, my mom's kayak is hopefully gonna come tomorrow. I think it will, so I'm gonna be filming that. It's super exciting. So yeah, third reason why I've not been posting, I don't know, got chalk on my chin. Third reason why I'm not posting, I'm making a YouTube video. I'm making a YouTube video, an actual one. Okay. So it's supposed, yeah. So it's supposed to rain tonight, guys. I think it is. They call like T-storms overnight or something.
Well, let's tuck it up here against the house, like on these rocks.
Okay. So we're gonna put my kayak. We're gonna put my kayak. So I got this. Okay. So yeah, my mom is demonstrating. You can like attach. I know you don't like getting filmed, so you can attach like your pad. There's a side. You can attach the paddle there.
You like the back versus front?
Yes. Give me a second. Okay, you guys, going for a ride. 3, 2, 1, lift. Move my kayak because you guys are in the backpack spot. I don't know, just not stable on the mulch. This thing can be carried by wind.
We can leave it.
It's pretty heavy.
Here now, and then at night
Yeah.
we'll flip it over before we go to bed.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
Bring in the paddle just in case.
Good teamwork. Okay, guys. So hopefully I'm gonna try and post tomorrow. My mom's kayak is gonna hopefully be coming tomorrow, right, Mom? What? So your kayak's hopefully gonna come tomorrow?
Yep.
Yes, it is.
Thumbs up.
Okay. Hopefully.
As long as it's here by June. Let's go.
I'm getting a phone next month, but yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the next thing.
Ah, yes. Then a trampoline. Guys, my dream was always
It's gonna rain.
to have a kayak. Yeah. My dream was to have a kayak. I got that. I'm gonna get a phone. That was one of my other dreams. So I might have a trampoline. I don't know. Hopefully that dream's also gonna come true. So yeah. Oh my god. So yeah. Okay, well I'm probably gonna end the video here because it's getting pretty long. It's 14 minutes long, and yeah. So here's my kayak one more time. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It's getting a little crazy, so I'm probably gonna go inside. But I want you to make sure you check out my friend's channel. Make sure you subscribe. Go check out the series of her and my and our other friends she met. I play Evelyn, and if you want to friend me on Roblox, I am UNICORN_109778. So please go friend me and comment if you want to be in the giveaway. I will send you a friend request. So just comment your username below. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!